Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to install apps downloaded from Google Web Store. So Google Chrome Web Store. So here I've already on my Google Chrome, and to go to the Google Chrome Web Store, you just need to click on the extensions here, and then here you just need to go to click on manage extensions, and here just click on the three lines icon and click on open Chrome Web Store at the bottom. Just click on this, and then you'll be directed to the Chrome Web Store, and here you just need to find the apps that you want to install. So for example, I want to install Google Translate. Just click on the apps and then click add to Chrome. Click on add extensions. Okay, so just wait. Now the Google Translate has been installed to your Chrome. So that's basically how you can install apps downloaded from Google Chrome Web Store. Okay, so I think that's all. That is how you can install the apps downloaded from Google Chrome Web Store. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Please don't forget to click on like, leave a comment, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next videos. Bye.